friends, how are you doing? I hope you all are keeping well. Today we are going to start the remaining sums of exercise 2.2. So after having this video lesson, you would be able to convert the word problems into the linear equations and of course to solve them. So this is our learning outcome, that after having this video lesson, you would be able to solve the word problems, or you would be able to convert the word problems into the linear equations and solve them. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
So friends, I welcome you all in our new class. Today we are going to start with the remaining sums of exercise 2.2. Half of the sums we have discussed earlier. So in this topic or in this video we would discuss the other remaining sums. So let us move forward. Here is the statement of the sum. The sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find the multiples. Here our number is the multiple of 8. If we simply consider the consecutive numbers, then it would be x, other number would be x plus 1, and the next consecutive number would be x plus 2. These would be x, x plus 1 or x plus 2 and x plus 2. But we are given that the sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8. Our numbers are multiples of 8. So our first number would be 8x. 8x means it is the multiple of 8, and so the next consecutive numbers would be 8 into x plus 1 and 8 into x plus 2. So 3 consecutive numbers which are the multiple of 8 are 8x and 8 multiplied by x plus 1, 8 into x plus 2. Now our statement says that sum of these 3 consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. So now let us add them. Now according to question, 8x plus 8 into x plus 1 plus 8 into x plus 2 is equal to 888. Now we would first of all we would solve this bracket. We would multiply 8 with x and 8 with 1, then 8 with x and 8 with 2. So here we go. We got 8x plus 8x, 8 multiplied by x, 8x, 8 multiplied by 1, 8 plus 8 multiplied by x, 8x, 8 multiplied by 2, 16 is equal to 888. Now we would add the terms of x. 8x, 8x plus 8x is equal to 24x, and 16 plus 8 is also 24. We transposed this constant 24 to the other side. So we got, adding these 8x, 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 we got 24x is equal to 888 minus 24. This 24 came from adding 8 and 16. We transposed it to the other side, so it become in the negative sign. Solving this or subtracting 24 from 888, we got 864. Now x is equal to 864 divided by 24. Here we shifted this 24 to the right hand side. As it is multiplied with x, when we shift it to the other side, it would go in the division. So 864 divided by 24. So we got x is equal to this. Now simplifying this, 4 6 are 24 and 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, remainder 2, 4 6 are 24. So again now we can simplify it further. 6 1s are 6 and 6 3s are 18, remainder 3, 6 6s are 36. So we got the value of x, that is 36. This is our first multiple of it. Now second multiple of it, this is the value of x, sorry, but we have to make it the multiple of 8, which was 8x. So 8 multiplied by 36 is equal to 288. And our next consecutive multiple of 8 is equal to 8 into x plus 1 is equal to 8 into 36. We substituted the value of x here. 36 plus 1, that is 8. 36 plus 1 is equal to 37. So 8 multiplied by 37, we got 296. So next multiple of 8 is, consecutive multiple of 8 is 296. This is the second one. Now for the third one, 8 into x plus 2, substituting the value of x, that is equal to 36, we got 8 into 36 plus 2. Now 8 into 36, 288. 8 into 2 is equal to 16. Adding 2 of them, we got 304. So the three multiples of 8 are, one is 288 here, and second is 296, and third is 304. These are the required consecutive multiples of 8. Okay, got it? Okay. Now let us move on to our next problem. The ages of Rahul and Harun are in ratio 5:7. 4 years later, sum of their ages be 56 years. What are their present ages? Let us suppose this is Rahul and this is Harun, and the ages of Rahul and Harun are in ratio 5:7. So we can suppose that Rahul's age is the multiple of 5, it's given, and Harun's age is the multiple of 7, because they are in the ratio 5:7. So we can suppose that Rahul's age is 5x and Harun's age would be 7x. Now we have to add 4 in ages of both, because our question says 4 years later. So 4 years later, what would be their age? 5x plus 4. Rahul's age would be 5x plus 4 and Harun's age would be 7x plus 4. So according to question, our question says that 4 years later sum of their ages be 56. So 4 years later their ages are 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4. Our question says that if we add their ages, it would become 56. So now we can solve this linear equation. Adding 5x plus 7x, we got 12x plus 4 is equal to 8 is equal to 56. Now we would transpose this 8 to the other side. It would go in the negative sign. So 12x is equal to 8 subtracted from 56, we got 48. Now 12x is equal to 48 and x is equal to 48 upon 12. Now simplifying this, we got 12 ones are 12. Now x is equal to 48 upon 12. Simplifying it, 12 ones are 12 and 12 fours are 48. So we got the value of x. But Rahul's age is 5x. So 5 multiplied by 4, which is the value of x, that is equal to 20 years. And Harun's age was the multiple of 7. So it was 7x. So it is equal to 7 multiplied by 4, that is equal to 28 years. So we got the values of both of them, that is Rahul and Harun. It was 20 years and 28 years. This is the required answer. Now let us move on to our next statement. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 20 years older than Baichung's. Sum of the ages of all the three is 135 years. What is the age of each of them? Don't get confused. We would understand it in a better way. So let us start. This is Baichung and this is Baichung's father, and here we go with Baichung's grandfather. Now our question says that Baichung's father, this one, is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather. This is 26 years younger than his own father and 29 years older than Baichung. He is 29 years older than Baichung. So if we assume that the age of Baichung is x, then what would be the age of his father? It would be x plus 29, because he is 29 years older than Baichung. Baichung is x years old. His father would be x plus 29. And his grandfather is 26 years older than his son. So grandfather's age would be x plus 29 plus 26. Got it? X, Baichung's age is equal to x years, his father's age x plus 29, and his father's age, that is x plus 29 plus x. So let the age of Baichung be x, and age of Baichung's father is x plus 29, and age of grandfather is equal to x plus 29 plus 26, because he is still 26 years bigger than his son. So now our sum says that sum of the ages of all the three is 135. So let us add the ages of all of three, that is Baichung, his father and his grandfather. Adding them, we got x plus age of Baichung's father, that is x plus 29, plus age of Baichung's grandfather, that is x plus 29 plus 26, and the sum of all of these is equal to 135. This is given in our question. Now we would add the variables and we would add the constants. X plus x plus x, it would become 3x, and 29 plus 29 plus 26, it is equal to 84. So we got 3x plus 84 is equal to 135. Now we would transpose 84 to the other side, but with the negative sign. Now subtracting 84 from 135, we got 51. So 3x is equal to 51, and x is equal to 51 upon 3. Solving this, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, remainder 2, and 3 sevens are 21. So we got the value of x. What we have assumed x? That was the age of Baichung. So we got that the age of Baichung is 17 years. Age of Baichung's father was x plus 29. This is 17 plus 29 years, that is equal to 46 years. And his grandfather is still 26 years older. So we would add 46 plus 26. Age of grandfather 17 plus 29 plus 26. So we got it 72 years. So the age of grandfather is 72 years. So like the way we got the age of Baichung, we got the age of Baichung's father and Baichung's grandfather. Okay, this was asked in our question and it is the required answer. Now just for fun, let us check. 17 plus 46 plus 72, it is equal to 135. Yes, this was given in our question, that the sum of their ages is equal to 135. So our answers are right. So like the way we can recheck our answers. Now let us move on to our next statement. A rational number is such that when you multiply it by 5 upon 2 and add 2 upon 3 to the product, you get minus 7 upon 12. What is the number? Now, what is the rational number? We know that any number that can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where Q should not be equal to 0, is called a rational number. So, we can suppose that the rational number is x upon y. Now, our question says that a rational number is such that when you multiply it 5 by 2. So first of all, let us multiply it by 5 by 2. Multiplying x by y with 5 by 2, we got x by 5 multiplied by 5 by 2, and our question says, and add 2 upon 3 to the product, and we add 2 upon 3 with the product of these two. We get minus 7 upon 12. This is given in our question, that a rational number is such that when you multiply it by 5 upon 2 and add 2 upon 3 to the product, you get minus 7 upon 2. We have done just according to our question. We added 5 upon 2 with the rational number, and we multiplied 5 by 2 with the rational number, and then added 2 upon 3 with the product, that is equal to minus 7 upon 12. Now we would transpose this constant term to the other side. Here it is with the positive sign. When we shift it to the other sign, it would become in the negative sign. So 5x upon 2y is equal to minus 7 upon 12 minus 2 upon 3. Now minus minus, here we draw it as common. Now taking the LCM of 12 and 3, the LCM would be 12. Now 12 dividing 12 by 12, we got 1 multiplied by 7, it is equal to 7. 12 divided by 3, we got 4 2s are 4 multiplied with this 2, we got 8. Now adding 7 and 8, we got minus 15 upon 12. On this side, here we are moving with 5 upon 2, 5x upon 2y. But 5x, this 5 upon 2 is multiplied with x and y, but when we transpose it to the other side, it would go in the division sign. So x upon y is equal to minus 15 upon 12 divided by 5 upon 2. Because this 5 upon 2 was multiplied with x upon y, we know that when we transpose any number which is multiplied with the variable to the other side, then it go in the division. So how do we solve the division? We change the division sign into multiplication and flip one rational number. So it would become minus 15 upon 12 multiplied by this 5 upon 2 would be changed into 2 upon 5. Okay. Now simplifying it, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, and 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So multiplying minus 1 with 1, we would get minus 1, and 2 with 1, we got 2. So x upon y is equal to minus 1 upon 2 is the required rational number. Now it's time to move on our next problem. I have a total of rupees 300 in coins of denomination rupees 1, rupee 2 and rupee 5. The number of rupees 2 coin is 3 times the number of 5 rupees coins. The total number of coins is 160. How many coins of each denomination are with me? Let us understand. I have a total of 300 rupees. In denomination, rupee 1, rupee 2 and rupee 5. The number of 2 rupees coin is 3 times the number of 5 rupees coins. So now let us suppose that the number of 5 rupees coin be x. If the number of 5 rupees coins is x and 2 rupees coins is 3 times the number of 5 rupees coins, it is given in our question. So the number of 2 rupees coins would be 3x. Now if we add all the coins, rupee 1 coin, rupee 2 coin and 5 rupee coin, their total number is 160. Their total number is 160. It's given to us. Now rupee 1 coin plus rupee 2 coin, how many they are? Their number is 3x. And rupee 5 rupee coin, their number is x. If we add all of 3, the number of all the coins, it is equal to 160. Now rupee 1 coin plus x plus 3x is equal to 160. Adding x plus 3x, it would become 4x. 1 rupee coin plus 4x is equal to 160. Now 1 rupee coin is equal to 160 minus 4x. So we found the counting of 1 rupee coin because it was not given to us. So the number of 5 rupee coins are 3x, the number of 5 rupee coin is x, and the number of 1 rupee coin are 160 minus 4x. Now we know that how many coins we have of rupee 1, that is equal to 160 minus 4x, and 2 rupee coin is equal to 3x, and 5 rupee coin, how many they are? They are x. Now suppose we have 10 5 rupees coins, then how much would be its denomination? Denomination means value. How much would be its value or denomination? It is equal to 50, na? So if we multiply rupees 5 with its number, we would get its value or its denomination. Okay. So the denomination of 5 rupees coins would be 5x, because 5 is the value and x is the number of coins. As I have told you that if you have 10 number of coins and you have how many, and its value is 5 rupees, then how much total do you have? You would be having 50 rupees. How did you find it? You multiplied the number of coins with its denomination. So here we are having the number of coins x and its denomination is 5. Similarly, we would find the denomination of 2 rupees coins and 1 rupee coin. Now the denomination of 1 rupee coin is equal to 1 into number of 1 rupee coin. The value of 1 rupee coin is rupees 1, but they are in how many number? How many coins we have? That is 160 minus 4x. Denomination 2 rupees coins is equal to 2 multiplied by 3x. 2 is the value of 2 rupees coins and 3x is their number. Now multiplying 2 into 3x, we got 6x. Now our question says that denomination of rupee 1 plus rupees 2 plus rupees 5 is equal to 300. So in this equation we would substitute the value of all of three: denomination of rupees 1, denomination of rupees 2 and denomination of rupee 5. Here we go. The denomination of rupee 1 is equal to 160 minus 4x plus denomination of rupee 2 is equal to 6x plus denomination of rupees 5 is equal to 5x. Adding all of them is equal to 300. Now we transpose this 160 to the right hand side. Here it is in positive sign, but when we shift it to the other side it would be with the negative sign. So we got minus 4x plus 6x plus 5x is equal to 300 minus 160. Solving them, 6 plus 5, 11. 11 minus 4, we would get 7x is equal to 140. Minus 4x plus 7x, 11x is equal to 140. Solving this, we got 7x is equal to 140. And x would be equal to 140 divided by 7. Now we would simplify it. 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14. 0 comes behind. So we got the value of x, that is equal to 20. So we got that we had 25 rupees coins. Okay, what we have assumed of x, that it is the number of 5 rupees coins. So we got that we had 25 rupees coins. And their denomination would be 20 multiplied by 5 is equal to 100 rupees. If you have 25 rupees coins, then what would be its value, or what would be its denomination? It would be 100 rupees. Now 2 rupees coins, we had 3x. We had assumed that it is equal to 3x because it was given in our question, that is it is 3 times the number of 5 rupees coins. So 3 times the number of 5 rupees coins, 3 multiplied by 20 is equal to 60. So we had 2 rupees coins, but in how many numbers? That is, we had 60 coins. Now 60 multiplied by 2 rupees coins is equal to 120 rupees. It means the denomination of 2 rupees coins was 120 rupees. Means the value of 2 rupees coins was 120 rupees. Now finding the number of 1 rupees coins. The number of 1 rupees coins was 160 minus 4x. 160 minus 4 multiplied by 20. 4 multiplied by 20, we got 80. 160 minus 80 is equal to 80. It means the number of 1 rupees coins were 80. And their denomination is, we can easily find out that 1 multiplied by 80, that is equal to 80 rupees. So now we can give the answer of any question which is asked. If in question there is asked the denomination of 1 rupees coin, you can tell. If it's asked the denomination of all rupees, then you can tell very easily. We are asked the number of each denomination, 1, 2 and 5. So their number is 80, 60 and 20. We had 1 rupees coins, how many? 80. We had 2 rupees coins, but how many? 60. We have 25 rupees coins. So this was all. Adding, you can add them. You can try 80 plus 60 plus 20. Adding them, we got 160, and this was given in our question that their total number is 160. So this is how we can verify our answer also. So friends, it's all for today. Now I am providing you 2 statement sums which you have to solve yourself. Here I am also providing you the answers to check out your answer. Okay, so here is the statement of 2 sums. The 3 consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in the increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively, they add up to 74. Find these numbers. The next question is, the number of boys and girls are in ratio 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. What is the total class strength? So give them a try. See you soon in the next lecture. Till then, bye bye and take care.